Our spotlight town, which is Hartlepool. The average house price in Hartlepool today is between 113 and 115,000 pounds, with rental yields that are achievable between 8 and 10% with the right locations. HMOs right now is in such big demand in Hartlepool, and average rental yields are between 15 and 20%, which is certainly phenomenal across the rest of the country. But beyond the numbers, Hartlepool has its own regeneration story. The waterfront and town centre investment that's reshaping with millions of pounds being invested towards the town centre and the marina, which is ultimately attracting new businesses, creating culture, and of course, creating leisure. But it isn't about the jobs. It's about people that wants to live, work, spend, and invest in Hartlepool. This recent talk, in fact, planning have gone in now recently for a nuclear power station, specifically in Hartlepool, where they're looking to build up to 12 nuclear reactors in Hartlepool. And they estimate that they'll growth of around about 2,500 jobs within Hartlepool itself. So when you combine Hartlepool and its own regeneration story between the likes of the T-Works project and the Sunderland Hollywood of the North project, you create a hotspot that's sitting right in the middle of this transformation zone.